What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. As I'm sure you can tell, we are playing Ratchet and Clank again. We are continuing on Ratchet and Clank. Let's see. We are on planet Aridia, where we left off. I did a little bit of exploring, as I'm sure you can see on the map there, just because I was trying to find Skid McMarks. But we're continuing on in our playthrough. I've just basically defeated enemies and overcome the sand sharks, a couple of the sand sharks. So we'll just continue playing through from there. Oops, wrong thing. All right, here we go. And I am playing on PlayStation 5 streaming, so it's probably going to be a little bit laggy. Unfortunately. But I think that just comes with the internet sometimes. I'm very excited to play the other Ratchet and Clank games, because again, this one and Rift Apart are the only ones I've officially played. So we'll see how that goes too. I'm very excited to play Rift Apart again though, because that was so much fun. And I want to platinum all these games as well, so hopefully that happens. I want to do these games. I want to play Jak and Daxter, because I've never played Jak and Daxter before. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. And then, what's the other one? There's another famous... Oh yeah, the other famous trilogy I want to do is God of War. And because of the news that PlayStation put out... Oh, crud. So I watched the State of Play, and I'm actually pretty excited for the new stuff. And I want to play God of War, so we'll probably play God of War 2018 after we're done with this first Ratchet and Clank game, and then make the rest of the Ratchet and Clank games weekend games. Just play them on Saturdays. Do like Retro Saturday or something, and just play old games, and then until we hit Rift Apart, and then we'll finish Rift Apart, and then we'll start on a different thing and just do that every Saturday. Because I hope those videos are going to be... I'm hoping those videos will be a little longer. Oh, his agent...
Whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet, and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog.
Oh, sheesh.
Hey, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
I think he gives us the magnetic boots, if I remember right. So we'll go find Skid, and then we'll do the race. Oh, there's a gold brick over there, or gold thing over there. Oh, there's another, whoops.
This is the solution.
There's another question mark over there that we missed. Okay, let's see what's over there. Let's see what's over there before we go and find Skid. Because I think Skid is the other way. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I thought I fell into the sand. Yeah, but I want to play all sorts of games on this channel.
The area ahead of you contains standard Gadgetron Versatile.
So if you guys have any
Use the slingshot
suggestions,
gadget to
feel
traverse
free to
the
give them. I think I might actually want to go back for those boxes, though. Not gonna lie. There we go. Because I know that the Rhino is probably going to be one of the harder trophies to get, just because it's a lot of money. Unless I can use the glitch. There's a glitch in this game to there's a money glitch in this game that I hope to be able to exploit. But if it doesn't happen, then we can go ahead and figure something else out. Okay, please. Oh, I'm so happy that I didn't kill him. I don't remember, but I think this is the only Ratchet and Clank game where they have the, Okay, I just skipped that platform. That was cool. I think this is the only Ratchet and Clank game where they have the 4 hits as the thing. I think in all the other ones it's a health bar, but I don't remember. Because I haven't played them. I've only played this one, Size Matters. Size Matters was another one that I played.
Yes!
Using the latest in precision laser technology.
We got the Trespasser, guys.
Gadgetron Trespasser is guaranteed to work on Gadgetron's line of Invinso lock security doors.
Okay, and then I think there's a gold brick down here. Whoa. Or gold bolt. I don't know why I said brick. I actually know why I said brick. I said brick because of the Lego games. Okay. Then we gotta use the swing shot to get back up. Wait for it to come around. That's one of the only ones that I've ever found in this game. So getting all the gold bolts will be an interesting challenge for me.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invinso lock. Aim the laser at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invinso lock will open.
Sweet. What's this weapon called? The Trespasser. Alright, time to go find Skid. Oh. Luckily for me, this whole internet thing doesn't bother me that much. Okay, so going back, we need to go back this way. Okay, that was kind of bothersome. The only reason why that was bothersome is because the input lag bothered me. Okay. Time to go find Skid McMarks, and then hopefully get a hoverboard. I think we get a hoverboard from him, so we can participate in the hoverboard races. There he is. What's up, Skid?
Tim, Skid McMarks.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. you guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw you screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
He's okay. But
I just talked to him,
I had
Clank.
a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you got all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarks, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Wow, his teeth got really big right there. Oh, are you kidding? And the only gold gun I think I've ever gotten in this game is the gold pyro. The gun I'm holding now, in gold form. And I just remember that it shoots green, which is cool. Green flames. Whoops. Okay, Ratchet. Settle down. Oh, sheesh. Oh, cool. I'm glad I didn't even jump there. Yeah, this input lag is something else. Oh my goodness. Man, Skid McMarch sure is lucky that we showed up. With a sprained ankle and all, I don't think he ever would have gotten back to his ship. Luckily for me, the input lag does not make it unplayable. Otherwise, I'd just have to bust out my PS3. Which honestly, I don't really want to do. Yeah, the internet connection quality isn't sufficient for game streaming. I noticed. This thing. Alright, there's one more over there. Sick. Thanks, Skid.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City and Railguard.
Cool. Okay, so now I think we've done everything we can here for now. Alright, let's get back to our ship and then move on to the next planet. I think if I remember right, Railgar is the one with the lovely tanks. Oh, there's bolts over here. I also can't wait to get the bolt collector gadget, which just straps to Ratchet, and then it collects bolts that are close to him. Alright, time to go to the next planet. I think we'll get to the next planet, then I'll save and then try and quit the game and then um, come back into it. Because I'd really love for this not to be an issue. Okay, Kerwan was the one we were on. We've done Novalis, Iridia, Kerwan, Eroda. Alright, here we go. Meanwhile, aboard Executive Chairman Druck's flagship, Eroda
Yes,
orbit.
quite lovely. That should about do it. Commander, we are finished with this world. Commence towing our planet to its next destination. Lieutenant! Yes, sir. You have fulfilled your tree quota. There.
We are ready to return to base.
Not so fast, Lieutenant. Just because we don't need any more trees doesn't mean they should have them. Destroy everything.
Oh, that's fun. So, Chairman Druck is the bad guy, in case you guys didn't notice already. Planet Eudora. You know what? I'm just gonna keep playing. I'm just so excited to keep playing. Let's see what the Gadgetron has for us. Oh, the Glove of Doom. We need... about 1,200 more. Okay. So forgive me for the lag because there's not really much I can do to control it. As much as I'd love to. Oh, sick. We just barely found that gadget. Lucky us. Okay, we'll go back to the blaster. I don't even know what's over here. I'm loving this game as much as I do. I don't really remember very much of it. Okay. I push circle to... Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness. I killed that guy twice now. Oh my goodness. This is getting really, really bad. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay, I'm holding the button. He's not doing anything. Oh, now I just walked off. This is crazy. Okay. I might have to try this game another day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I know I could sit through it and play through it in a matter of hours. I could probably do a full playthrough in one day, but there we go. Okay, he's learning. Ratchet learned. Alright, here we go. Okay, I double jumped there, but it didn't happen. This is starting to get kind of annoying. I need to buy an Ethernet cable. That's what I need to do. Just plug my PlayStation right into my internet. Then I won't have this issue. Okay. Oh, he grabbed onto it. Thank goodness. Cool. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna stop this video there. Like, he's not even responding very well to my thing. I'm just gonna buy an Ethernet cable tonight. Whoops.
Executive Chairman Drek.
Get out of here. And then we'll continue this adventure tomorrow. Oops, I did it again.
Chairman Drek.
I'll save over this. Yeah. So we found Skidping Marks, talked to his agent. Oops. Found Skid McMarks, talked to his agent, got our hoverboard, and now we just need to get to planet, I think it was Rilgar, to do the hoverboard races. Anyway, thanks for so much for joining me on that short but fun adventure, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.